up, Suzie, and welcome back to my channel. So your girl has created this white and black look. I had so much fun making this look. It was so creative, it was different, it was a challenge for me, and I did a great job. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and continue watching. Okay, let's go.
Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, yeah. Queen.
What's up, Suzie, and welcome back to my channel. So your girl has really been busy. I am working 2 jobs now, so but I think it's a little, but I still think I've been doing a good job with the keeping up with my videos and whatnot. So today video I will be creating this look, you guys, and it looks really easy, but after I created the Scar's Wife look, I was sent this photo for me to try. So I'm like, okay, it's fat, it's super fat, and it looks simple. So y'all know I'm sticking to the simple right now. I haven't really been doing makeup. I really hope this doesn't break out my face, but let's get into the video. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna be using I picked up these 2 creams. It's gonna be white and black. Got it at Walmart for $1.
So y'all, I did my eyebrows off cam. I really should never put no concealer around it because I was seeing the brown on my white. But anyways, we're gonna go in with our white cream face paint. I am using brush for paint or whatever, but it actually helped out a lot. So yeah, we just rubbing this on our face. We trying to get the white half first. I don't know if I should have did this first, but it worked out for me. And I also did have some small brushes that I went in and fixed a little like, yeah, around the eyebrows and stuff. So I did that off cam. Like a lot of stuff, like touch-ups, I did off cam. And now I'm gonna go in with the black right here. Yeah, when I say this was the hardest part, I'm not saying like it was super hard, but it was like it was a way that I wanted it. I didn't want it, like it was too big, like the top I put too much, so I did go ahead and see right there is too big for me. So I wanted it a little smaller, so I did go ahead in there and put some more white like on top of that black. But now we're gonna go into the nose, and right now I'm trying to do like a little triangle, and it wasn't looking right, so that's when I started to do the black right there in the nose. And y'all, this look is starting to come together. Polo, no, what's up? Okay, hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, so we're gonna do our lips. Pretty much I just did my lips all black, and I draw that line. I think I got like, I can eyeball a lot of stuff, so that's why I feel like some of this stuff is like easy to me. And y'all, I wasn't going in no type of order, because as you can see, like around my lips, oh, here we go right here. I went back in to put some white around, and then after that, y'all, on the side where the black part was, I was trying to get it like skinny at the end, so I did use a piece of cardboard to kind of like help me draw the line, as you can see. And now we're just gonna go ahead and draw our lines. This part was super simple, like, and at the end she had a little cross, and I put it on mine as well. And like right here we got a little shorter with the, I think, what you want to call it, stitches, whatever. I don't know. And now we're gonna go in with some Maybelline Pro foundation. And like I said, I don't know if I was supposed to do this part first or what, but like I said, I did it how I did, and it came out pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did to the other side, And we got that done. So now I'm going to go in with my box of crayon palette, and I'm going to use the black eyeshadow in here to put me on some eyeshadow. Y'all, this was fun though, like it really was. And I'm going to put some at the bottom as well. And now I'm going to go in with this liner because I wanted to get that real black effect on the eyes. And of course, y'all know I put some beauty marks. And I'm gonna go in with my trophy wife highlights to put on this side. I thought about putting some on the other side, but I didn't. Y'all know I love my moles. And y'all, I was not gonna do this. It was literally right here on this part. I just literally just did it. Said, why not? Let's go all the way out, you know? So yeah, that was that. And it was actually really simple. I just really hope that my face and stuff don't break out from this. And I went ahead and put those little lines on there to give it some type of effect, you know. But yes, here we go. Finishing look. This look was so freaking bomb, y'all. Like, I can't wait for y'all to see it. I was so thirsty to put this video up. It did start cracking a little under the eye. I did go ahead and fix it. But yes, let me know what y'all think about this look, honey. Because I think I snapped, period.
Yes, y'all, so this is the finishing look. I was not gonna do like the body, I mean on my neck and stuff, because I just wasn't gonna do it. That was not the plan. I was just gonna do the face. Inspired by this look my cousin sent me, and she did a really good job. It was dope. And like I said, it looked simple, so I wanted to try it, and it was pretty fun creating. And y'all, my black wall is like perfect for this little look. I really love this. Eyebrows definitely on fleek. And I couldn't see her side of the face over here, so I did my own little touch. Nothing major. I don't know if this look have a name to it, or maybe skeleton look. I don't know. Y'all, yesterday was Polo's birthday. Him just turned 1. Ain't that right, Stinky? Say happy birthday to my Stinky. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Hey, I bought him a cake, y'all. He act like he didn't like it. He finally ate a piece of it today. But yes, y'all, this look, Sue Gang, tell me what y'all think about this look down in the comment section. How did your girl do? Y'all know I'm rocking Suzie Collection. I just restocked on the lashes. These are Suzie, really full and dramatic. Like, I like them. If y'all gonna wear them, why not wear them dramatic? I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys try to create this video. If you do, make sure you guys tag me in it so I can see what y'all came up with. And I'm finna wash this off my face, get in the shower, wash my hair, all that good stuff. But this is all I have for you guys. Oh, that's a great thumbnail, right?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that bell button to be notified when I post. And I love you guys. Peace.